In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add code snippets directly to your Trello card descriptions, step by step. If you use Trello for development projects, technical documentation, or even managing automation workflows, being able to properly format and display code inside your cards is a game changer. It keeps everything clean, readable, and organized for your entire team. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any small but important details. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Trello and navigate to the board where you want to add your code snippet. Go to the specific list where your card will live. This could be something like development, backlog, to-do, or any custom list you've created. Once you're inside the correct list, click on Add a Card. Type in a title for your card. For example, you might name it API Function Example, CSS Fix, or Database Query. After typing the title, click Add Card to create it. Now click directly on the card you just created to open the detailed view. This is where you can add descriptions, attachments, checklists, and more. Inside the card window, locate the description area. If it's empty, you'll see an option that says Add a more detailed description. Click on that to expand the description editor. Now here's the important part. In the description editor toolbar, click on Insert Elements. This gives you additional formatting options beyond basic text. From the drop-down menu, select Code Snippet. As soon as you click Code Snippet, Trello will insert a formatted code block into your description area. This block is specifically designed to preserve spacing, indentation, and formatting, which is essential when you're working with code. Now simply type or paste your code inside the code snippet block. This could be JavaScript, Python, HTML, CSS, SQL, or any other programming language. Make sure your indentation and formatting look correct before saving, because proper formatting makes your code much easier to read. Once you've added your code, click Save. Immediately, you'll see your code displayed inside a clean, structured code block within the card description. It will be visually separated from regular text, making it clear that this section contains code. And that's it. Your code snippet is now successfully added directly into your Trello card description. This is incredibly useful for sharing implementation examples, documenting bug fixes, storing configuration snippets, or collaborating with teammates without needing external pastebin links or screenshots. Everything stays neatly organized inside the card itself. A quick tip, you can add multiple code snippets in the same description if needed. Just repeat the same insert elements and code snippet process for each block of code you want to include. This keeps long technical explanations structured and easy to follow. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit that like button so more people can discover it. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Trello tips, productivity hacks, and software tutorials coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.